welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TradingView stock on loading screen. If the app won't move past the splash screen or keeps spinning endlessly, it's usually a cage connection or session issue. Here's a step-by-step fix. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works, and to make sure the problem isn't weak or unstable network. TradingView needs a steady connection to load your account, data and chart. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find TradingView and swipe it away completely. Reopen it to refresh the app session. This alone fixes stock and loading screen. Now if that also did not work, go ahead to your settings, search for Safari, and let's clear Safari cookies. Find Safari, scroll down to your hide clear history and website data. Click on clear history, and TradingView uses Safari's background browser for authentication, and loading stock cookies can freeze the app during startup. That's why it is important to clear Safari cache cookies. Next, what you're gonna do, go to App Store, search TradingView and then click on it and see if there's an update button available. Sometimes issues like loading screen happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, what you're gonna do is, if nothing works, press and hold the power plus volume button, slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears background memory and resets app launch processes. Now if you're using a VPN, turn it off. Some VPNs can block TradingView's secure network connection to its servers, causing infinite loading loops. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.